Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans and Where the Heck Are the Albans? We are in, what town is this?
Lisle.
Is it
Lisle.
Lisle? Is it? Lisle, Illinois. We are at the Morton Arboretum. And we've been here before when the trolls were here, but we have come to a new exhibit made by artist Daniel Popper, and it is called Human Plus Nature. And he has some beautiful sculptures here, and we're going to check them out today. So come along, let's go. So the Morton Arboretum is just, I forget how many square miles this place is, but it is just full of all different kinds of trees and flowers and different species from around the world. And it's just fascinating. So, but I think we are about to come up to one of the very first sculptures that we're here to see. I think it's just right around the bend here. Look at that. Man, look at her. Isn't she something? So we can walk up there and go inside her. Yeah. There she is. Quite beautiful. So she is very, very cool indeed. And this one here's name is Hallow. Let's consider that the tree has a spirit and what that spirit has seen. So the sign says, "Gently feel this tree and you'll see why it's called the paper bark maple. Unfortunately, in China, where it is native, there are fewer than 250 left in the wild. The scientists at the Morton Arboretum are studying the genetics of this rare tree to learn how to save it from extinction." The paperback maple. It's oh my goodness. Yeah, it feels like a paperback book. I like it.
Feel the armpit. It's weird.
And it's very pretty.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And look at all the beautiful flowers here today. Hello, honeybee. So you have to go under the bridge. If you are taller than 13 feet 4 inches, you can't come this way. All right, there is a lot of walking to do today. We are going to get on this little path right here, and it's going to take us quite a ways back up that way. Let me show you on the map. So we're right here. We're going to jump on that path and take that all the way up here and then go this way and see that sculpture right there. I love the trails through here. You really get in touch with nature through here.
Hey, Brandon.
Ooh. So pretty through here. Check out the size of this tree. That is awesome. All the benches here are dedicated to people. I like the dedication on this one. Dedicated to James Jackson. Please sit and share a joke, draw a picture, or enjoy nature. He will be remembered with love. That's great. Here's the next sculpture. I wonder if this one's entitled Splitting Headache. Just kidding. They're very interesting pieces of art. Fascinating. Very beautiful.
Take our picture.
So very cool indeed. Check this out. Emerson's getting her picture taken. The name of this sculpture is called Heartwood.
I think. Or it's just made by Heartwood.
Or made by Heartwood.
I mean, that might be the material. Okay.
Not 100% sure. If I'm wrong, I will correct it. So down at the end of this path, there's a little wood cabin. And I think we're going to just stop there and see what it's all about. So this is called the Mud Kitchen. So pat a cake, bake something grand, dig a little, dream a lot, get as dirty as you can. Unsupervised play space, but in case of an emergency, they got a number here. And so here is yet another sculpture. The hands outreached. And I'll try to get a name of this sculpture. Somewhere on this thing is a little plaque. Okay, so just kind of a little closer up view of this. The hands outreached and intertwined. This is a very, very cool sculpture. I don't see any kind of a plaque on this one. It says the name of it. Maybe it's online and I can find it. And here is the name of it. It's called Basilica. The hands create an atmosphere for us to enter into a meditative stillness and presence. All this greenery, and then there's like a dead tree right in the middle, but it's still gorgeous. So look at that, sitting right here out in the middle. There's just a big tree just carved into a dead stump. Emerson, you want to go sit in this stump? So to get to the next one, we have a long walk. But at least it's scenic. And we're walking. And we're walking. And we're walking. And we're walking. And we're walking.
We're on a road to nowhere.
Oh, look it. We're on the road to nowhere. And we're walking. And we're walking. Becky, I was told there was going to be no inclines. And we're walking. So this next one is called the Sentient. Human consciousness grows out of nature and the mind opens in meditation. And remember, feel free to touch, but please do not climb the sculptures. And here she is, Sentient.
I will. I'm going to show it to you in 1 second. And I have a take it.
This hill is never going to end. it just keeps going up and up and up. I don't want to see the statues anymore. So we made it to the top of the hill, and we got to go down now. The only problem is the car's back the other way, and I just know that we're going to have to go back up this again. But we're walking, and we're walking. I feel like I'm in a war movie, you know? Just go ahead without me, I can't make it. Ooh, she's very impressive. I'll get the name of her here in just a minute. Look at her. Her name is Umi. These sculptures speak to our spiritual connection to trees.
Hello.
So what did you think today?
It was great.
Yeah?
I really enjoyed it.
Did you have a favorite?
I thought you said the hands. I think the hands were my favorite, or
Yeah.
there was another one. I have to think. The split head.
There was the split head. There was the
woman with this one.
that was back that way,
The
yeah.
pregnant woman.
That's the
The
hollow.
woman with all the faces. The woman with all the faces.
Okay.
The hands.
The symbiont.
The
Yeah.
head. I think the split head was my
The split head. Okay.
Yeah.
What about you, babe?
I like the one with the different faces.
The different faces. Symbiont, I believe that one was
I
called.
like the opening the chest.
Yeah. Yeah. Hollow.
Yeah.
She was cool. I think that was one of my favorites too. I like that, and I also like. No, that's fine. I got you wide angled. Yeah, I like that one, and I like the outstretched hands. Those were cool.
I wasn't crazy about the outstretched hands.
No, I liked it.
I mean, the faces were so expressive, so.
Yeah. All right, as the sun sets slowly in the west. How did everybody like the Morton Arboretum?
Oh, they're so beautiful.
And weren't they fun? Yeah, they were so well done.
It was
so
hot.
it was hot, and
There was a lot of upclimb.
there was a lot of upclimb, a lot of
incline.
but we walked a little over
5 miles.
5 miles. So I found out there is a total of 16 miles worth of paths there at the Morton Arboretum. But just to see the statues, we walked just a little over 5 miles.
I noticed that a lot of people drove.
Yeah, there's you can
There's different parking lots for
parking
some
lots.
of them.
Yeah, so you can drive it if you wish, but you miss a lot. You do miss a lot. I think you miss out on a lot of scenery and flowers and trees and inclines. but we were healthy. Okay. Some people always ask me if it is handicap accessible. We did see some wheelchairs, but it's more like the scooters.
Yeah.
The motorized scooters.
I don't even think it's stroller accessible. I mean,
yeah. Well, we saw a lot of strollers, but
some of those trails are just wood chips and incline.
Yeah. So if you can't walk it, I wouldn't really suggest it, but they, like I said, you can drive to them each, and they have parking lots at each one. So, all right. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed yourself with us. If you like us, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you do want to correspond with us, we still do have our P.O. box, and I'll list that information down below. And we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.
Bye.